So what's up guys, this is Memo and welcome back to yet another video. So right now in front of me, so we have this Suzuki Hayabusa Gen 3 25th anniversary, and the bike is looking so beautiful in this lava orange. This is the special color for the 25th anniversary Suzuki has launched, and the bike is looking so beautiful, man. So this is the 25th anniversary badging logo of the Suzuki Hayabusa, and this is the seat and the cowl, and this is the Hayabusa. It is also written 25th anniversary in the exhaust. Wow. So this is how the bike looks from the front. Wow. The massive tank, the seat and the cowl. And right now this sun, it's glistening because of the sunlight. And this is the logo of the Suzuki Hayabusa, and it has got dual brakes from Brembo, dual the side discs in the front with ABS Brembo brakes, and single disc at the rear. And this is how the tail looks of the Busa, quite sleek, the dual side exhaust and the massive tire. The cowl, it doesn't come with the bike, but you have to purchase it from the Suzuki dealers. And this seat of the Busa, I think it's aftermarket from Tip Top. It's quite this padding, it's quite soft. Wow. And this is the massive air intake of the Busa, and the Suzuki logo, and this is the display of the Busa. Wow, very futuristic, all the numbers. It goes till 300 kilometers per hour. Damn, man. The keyhole and all the electronic modes of the bike. Wow. And the engine start stop button over here, and this is the mirror. That's me. The Suzuki emblem. Wow, the air intakes. Damn. And this is where the number plate holder is, right here. The mirror of the bike is also quite sleek from the previous gen Busa. Damn, man, I'm lucky to spot this bike today, because right now there are only two in Mumbai and this is one of them. Wow, man. Due to sun, this is popping. Wow. So comment down, people, how many of you have liked this Gen 3 Suzuki Hayabusa with this color. I like the color of the shade, but I would prefer Gen 2 over Gen 3. Wow. The logo and the engine. This is the passing lights and all the electronic functions. All the wow. So it has got a pinch of golden background along with that TFT display. Wow. I'm lucky enough to spot this. Wow. The bike looks quite massive from other bikes, and there is some shooting going over there. See, where we have a boozer over here. Damn. Yes, this is for the memory purpose of me spotting the Chain 3 Hayabusa 25th anniversary. Damn, the bike is looking so sleek. It's quite beautiful. Wow. That's it. Wow. Brother Dan, can you rave? Wow. So that was the Chain 3 Suzuki Hayabusa 25th anniversary, spotting it the very first time. And I know I'm sweating a lot because it's quite humid over here. And now let's head home. કેવી મજા આવી હોમ સારી રીતે બોલ સ્પોટ કરવાનું તો મજા આવે પણ જે ગરમી અને જે હાલવાનું હોય ને ઓમ બહુ કંટાળો આવે હવે ઘરે જવી ફોટા જોવી અને જોવી ચાલો ગ્રાઇન્ડ કરવું છે ઓમ યાદ રાખજે one day you have to buy Suzuki Hayabusa.